5 healthy food recipe ideas, delicious ways to nourish your body. In today's fast-paced world, healthy eating can often take a backseat to convenience. However, with a little creativity, you can whip up nutritious meals that are not only good for you but also delicious and satisfying. In this video, we'll explore 5 healthy food recipes that are simple to prepare, packed with nutrients, and wonderfully flavorful. These recipes cater to various dietary preferences and can easily be adjusted to fit your taste. 1. Quinoa and black bean salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed. 2 cups water or vegetable broth. 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 avocado, diced. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 1/2 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. Juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the quinoa. In a saucepan, combine the quinoa and water, or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the quinoa is fluffy and the liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and let it cool. Prepare the salad base. In a large mixing bowl, combine the black beans, cherry tomatoes, red bell pepper, avocado, red onion, and cilantro. Mix the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Combine and serve. Once the quinoa is cooled, add it to the salad mix and drizzle with the dressing. Toss gently to combine. Serve immediately or refrigerate for an hour to allow the flavors to meld. Why it's healthy: quinoa is a complete protein, making this salad a perfect vegetarian option. Black beans add fiber and additional protein, while the fresh vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals. 2. Baked sweet potato fries. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes, cut into thin fries. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Prepare the sweet potatoes. In a large bowl, toss the sweet potato fries with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper until well coated. Bake the fries. Spread the fries evenly on the prepared baking sheet in a single layer. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, turning halfway through, until they are golden brown and crispy. Cool and serve. Once cooked, let them cool slightly before serving. Pair with a homemade dipping sauce, such as Greek yogurt mixed with herbs, for a delicious treat. Why it's healthy: sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and fiber, making them a far healthier alternative to traditional fries. Baking rather than frying minimizes added fats, keeping your fries light and healthy. 3. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped. 1/2 cup feta cheese, crumbled. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the filling. In a sauté pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds before adding the spinach. Cook until wilted. Remove from heat and stir in the feta cheese. Stuff the chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Make a pocket in each chicken breast by slicing it horizontally without cutting all the way through. Stuff the chicken breasts with the spinach and feta mixture. Season and sear. In a large oven-safe skillet, heat the remaining tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Season the chicken breasts with oregano, salt, and pepper, Then sear them on both sides until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Bake. Transfer the skillet to the oven and bake for an additional 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Serve. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing. Enjoy with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad. Why it's healthy. This dish is high in protein and provides iron from the spinach and calcium from the feta. It's a filling yet low-carb option for a healthy dinner. 4. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Ingredients. 4 medium zucchinis, spiralized. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. Half a cup fresh basil pesto, store-bought or homemade. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Parmesan cheese, optional, for garnish. Instructions. Sauté the zoodles. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the zucchini noodles and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until they are just tender but still firm. Add tomatoes and pesto. Add the cherry tomatoes to the skillet and continue to sauté for another minute. Remove from heat and stir in the basil pesto, coating the zucchini noodles evenly. Serve. Plate the zucchini noodles and top with Parmesan cheese if desired. Enjoy immediately. Why it's healthy. This dish is a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional pasta, rich in vitamins and antioxidants from the zucchini and tomatoes. Homemade pesto can boost the nutrition even further with healthy fats from nuts and olive oil. 5. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients. 2 cups plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1/4 cup granola, preferably low sugar. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. A sprinkle of cinnamon, optional. Instructions. Layer the ingredients. In a glass or bowl, layer half of the Greek yogurt at the bottom. Add half of the berries and half of the granola on top. Repeat layers. Add the remaining Greek yogurt, followed by the rest of the berries and granola. Drizzle with honey. If desired, drizzle honey on top and sprinkle with cinnamon for added flavor. Serve immediately. Enjoy this parfait as a healthy breakfast, snack, or dessert. Why it's healthy. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, promoting gut health. Combined with the antioxidants from berries and the fiber from granola, this parfait is a balanced way to start your day or refuel after a workout. In conclusion, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With these 5 nutritious recipes, you can enjoy meals that are not only good for your body but also delightfully satisfying. Experiment with these ingredients and flavors, and don't hesitate to make adjustments to suit your personal tastes. Eating well is a journey, and these recipes are a great starting point for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's a refreshing salad, a warm stuffed chicken, or a simple parfait, your body will thank you for nourishing it with wholesome, vibrant food.